I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom 3 co-op. Playing this classic horror shooter with friends adds a whole new layer of fun and fear. You'll need to install a specific mod to enable cooperative play, as the original game did not include this feature. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you and your teammates can battle the forces of hell together. Get ready for an unforgettable multiplayer experience. To begin, you'll need to download a co-op modification. Popular choices include Last Man Standing Coop or Open Coop. You can typically find these on modding websites. Once downloaded, carefully extract the mod files directly into your main Doom 3 game folder. It's crucial to ensure your game version, whether it's the original or Resurrection of Evil, is compatible with the chosen mod for a smooth installation. With the mod installed, launch Doom 3 and select the co-op mod from the main menu. If you're hosting, you might need to forward port 27666 on your router to allow incoming connections. Once your server is set up, your friends can join by navigating to the Find Game option within the mod and entering your public IP address. Virtual LAN software like Hamachi can also simplify this process for private games. For the best co-op experience, ensure everyone playing has the identical mod version installed. Mismatched versions can lead to connection errors or in-game glitches. If you encounter connection problems, temporarily disabling your firewall or adding an exception for Doom 3 can often resolve them. Utilizing a virtual LAN service, such as Hamachi, can also bypass many common networking hurdles, making it easier to connect with friends and enjoy your demon-slaying adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.